Well, it's a bit cooler today for some reason. 16.2 degrees, 13.4 overnight, and yesterday it was 24.3 top temperature. I don't think there was any rain today, but we'll have a look. There's no rain there at all. Well, it's Friday the 3rd of July. Not terribly sunny, but the sun is out. Cows, I think, as I can see over the blackberry bush, can't see any cows up there. They're probably in the top of the field. Panning round, there's cows in the field up against the A303, so that's it.